Hey guys, welcome back. I am Webvi and I just finished 2 years of college, which means I'm halfway done with my bachelor's degree, which is honestly insane. So, in this video, I'm going to be sharing a few things I wish I could tell my fresher self before starting college. Not study tips, not productivity hacks, just the lessons that would have saved me a lot of confusion, stress, overthinking, and second guessing myself. At the end of the day, you make your college life what it is, and every choice you make shapes your experience.
I was down in a town in LA, trying to override what I couldn't erase.
It's okay to feel overwhelmed initially. So many new changes, new place, new people, and for some of you, it's a whole new state. Also, the fact that everyone there is equally as good as you, or maybe even better, because all of you have qualified the same entrance exam to get there. There will be people getting internships in their first year, people who have already interned in school, people doing freelance, people earning while you feel like you're still trying to figure things out. And that is absolutely okay. College is honestly going to humble you in so many ways, and there will definitely be moments where you feel like, what am I even doing? Or am I already behind? But you need to stop comparing yourself because you're here to learn, and it's okay to take your time adjusting to the environment, learning, making friends, finding opportunities, and just living your college life. Talk to people, don't be afraid to ask for help. Seniors, professors, classmates are usually much more approachable than you think. I'm not the best person to talk about networking, at least for now, because I am still learning it too. However, one thing I can say is the connection, the trust you build with people is so important. Your friend circle matters more than you think. College is a place where you'll meet people from completely different backgrounds, different cities, cultures, beliefs, everyone with different ways of thinking. And the conversations you have will give you so many new perspectives and ways of looking at the exact same situation. And finding the right people around you is so important because slowly they start influencing how you think, what you do, and even the opportunities you take. At the same time, don't expect everyone to think like you. People won't always have the same values, mindset, opinions, or thoughts, and that's completely okay. One of the biggest things college teaches you is learning to be yourself while being surrounded by thousands of different kinds of people. Okay, this might sound cliche, but be yourself. It's so easy to start changing yourself because everyone around you is doing something different. Everyone has different habits, personalities, lifestyles, goals. But the right people will always connect with the real version of you. So, yeah, be open to opportunities, but be intentional. Say yes to projects, competitions, hackathons, events, responsibilities. Explore, experiment, try new things, but also know what you're getting yourself into. Okay, wait. Doing something just because everyone else is doing it or because of fear of missing out is honestly not worth your time if it's not adding value to you, your skills, or your goals. And that's completely a personal choice. I've met people who are a part of 10 clubs, also organize college events, and manage five other things together. Some people genuinely enjoy participating in everything, and some people build amazing networks that way. But that's not the case for everyone. The important part is knowing when something is helping you grow and when it's simply draining your energy. The moment you think it's not working out, it's getting too much, it's draining your energy and not adding any value to you or your goals, learn to step away without feeling guilty. Balance is everything. College makes everything feel so important. You'll have a submission due the same day and an event you've been waiting for so long. You don't want to miss the event because it's going to be fun, but you also can't afford to lose those grades in your submission. That's when you'll have to choose. You need to learn how to prioritize and also learn to say no. You don't have to attend every event, you don't have to join every club or be everywhere at once, and that's okay. You can do a lot, but you can't do everything all the time. You need to find the right balance. If you have a college event next week and if the submission is due around that time, try and finish the submission before so that you can plan for the event and enjoy the event too. So you just need to find the right balance. It's not that you cannot do everything. Everyone comes to college with a different purpose, a different goal. Some people are here for grades, some for networking, some for placements, some want to build startups, some just want to enjoy their college life. Everyone is writing their own story, and make sure you are the main character in yours. Don't let someone else's priorities become yours just because everyone seems to be doing it. Everyone is busy figuring out their own life, and no one's thinking about you as much as you think they are. Work on yourself. This is probably one of the best investments you can make. Work on your skills, your communication, your confidence, your health. Become someone who's confident about themselves and their own work. For example, in design, with so many new tools coming in every few months, there's always something new to learn. It's so easy to feel like you're constantly behind. Trust me, everyone feels that way. Focus on improving a little at a time instead of trying to know everything at once. People will disappoint you. There's this thing that first year friendships don't last even until like second semester. Some people will be selfish, some people will be fake, some friendships won't last, some people will only remember you when they need something, and you shouldn't even be surprised. While that sounds negative, don't let that one bad experience stop you from meeting other people. Take the lesson, set your boundaries, learn to say no, and move on. College is honestly one of those experiences where everyone learns different lessons. These were just some of mine. I'm sure a few months from now, I'll probably watch this video and have 10 more things to add. So, if you're just starting college, I hope this made you feel a little less nervous, a little more aware, and a little more excited for everything that's coming your way. Like I said, you make your college life what it is. So, all the best. It's going to be fun. And if you're already in college, let me know one thing you wish someone had told you before your first day. And that was it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.